Hey, are you answering questions from YouTube?
Yes, I am.
What question are you answering right now?
I'm answering questions about drive cycles.
What's that?
That's exactly what the question was about, was what are inspection monitors? So I'm answering them on what are inspection monitors and how to go ahead and set these monitors.
That would take a lot of effort to answer on a comment. Don't you think it would be better if you make a video about it and answer it more in detail?
That is actually a great idea. I'm going to go do that right now. In this video, we will discuss what are IM monitors, what they're used for, how you can go ahead and use these towards your benefit, and if you're running into an issue, I'll show you how to go ahead and fix these monitors. And the way you fix these monitors is by setting them. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome back to Random Fix. So today we are talking about IM monitors, and I have this little OBD2 reader which is under 30 bucks next to my vehicle that has this IM button right here. So when I click this button, it launches all the monitors, and all the monitors on my vehicle are actually ready. That is indicated by a green check mark, and each one of these is a different monitor. And on the screen, I will display some monitors. And let me go ahead and quickly go over just a few of these so you understand some of the terminology. MIL stands for malfunction indicator lamp, and currently it's off. And the way you connect this OBD2 reader to your vehicle, you want to make sure that the ignition is on. So you want to cycle the key to where the check engine light is actually on. And then you want to connect it to the OBD2 port. This is the plug. It only goes in one way. And it's powered off the vehicle. I hit the button and now it's connecting to the vehicle. If I turn the vehicle on, you'll notice that my check engine light is actually off. And that's what it's stating here, that the check engine light is off. Next, we have DTC. This stands for diagnostic trouble codes. I have 0 codes. Then we have MIS, which is misfire, fuel, comprehensive component monitor, the catalyst monitor. My vehicle does not have a heated catalyst, and that's why the information is in gray. And on different scan tools, it'll show it as NA, which means it does not apply. Up top, we have PDDTC, and this is basically going to be for pending trouble codes. I have 0 pending trouble codes. There's also another trouble code that is known as a permanent diagnostic trouble code, and that code cannot be erased. It has to be unlearned by the vehicle. There's the evap system, the O2 monitor, the O2 monitor heater, and the EGR. And if you're using an OBD2 reader like this and everything is green, you should be okay and you should be able to pass an emissions test. Let's just say a few of the different monitors are not ready. Then you want to look up the requirements for your state. And I have a video on how you can quickly check your state's requirements, and I'll leave you guys a link in the video box down below. And the most common reason why people actually lose this inspection monitor data is because they replace the battery, or the battery goes weak, or they clear the fault codes. And if you clear the fault codes, you will erase the monitor readiness. Let me show you guys really quickly. So I'm going to quickly clear the codes. And now if I push the IM button again, you can see I have a few red X's, and this means that these monitors are not complete. And the monitors are tested in different ways. Sometimes these monitors will be running continuously. Other times they actually need to be triggered by a certain condition. So it has to be the right temperature, or it needs to be a cold start. And in case you lose your inspection monitor data, complete 2 drive cycles for your specific vehicle. And I'll leave you guys a link to each make in the video box down below. And after you have completed those 2 drive cycles, then focus only on the unset monitors. For example, if I want to get this O2 heater monitor ready, I'm going to start the vehicle. And this monitor normally runs when the engine is cold. And now the monitor is going to be tested. And as a precaution, if you have a pending code, pending codes do keep some monitors from running.
Hey Random Fix, how can people support this channel?
That's a great question, Mini Random Fix. If you want to support the channel, I'll leave you guys a link down below and also at the end of the video on how you can buy me a coffee.
This guy loves coffee a lot.
I do. I need some right now.
So always make sure you're completing drive cycles when there are no pending codes, as you may be just burning up gas for no reason. I will have a link to this OBD2 reader in the video box down below, as well as at the end of the video. And if your vehicle is operating correctly, normally the misfire and CCM set within just a few seconds. And the very last monitors to set are going to be the catalyst and the evap on most vehicles. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up. If you guys like this kind of content, consider subscribing. And if I mention anything during this video, it's most likely because I have a video on how you can go ahead and test it and get it fixed. And you guys will find all those links down below. Thank you so much. And if you have a comment or a question, don't hesitate to comment down below. I will reply back to you and point you in the right direction. Thanks again.